Smart glasses have promised a lot over the years, but very few have actually delivered on all fronts. Most look awkward, feel uncomfortable, or force you to choose between style and functionality. That's why when the Even Reality G1 first launched, it genuinely shook things up. For the first time, smart glasses didn't feel like a tech experiment. They felt like a real, premium pair of glasses you'd actually want to wear every day. And now, Even Reality is back with the G2. And this isn't just a small update. It's a clear statement that they're serious about redefining what smart eyewear should be. The biggest difference with Even Reality has always been their philosophy. Instead of building a tech gadget and forcing it into a glasses shape, they start with eyewear first. Comfort, balance, materials, and design come before screens and sensors. That mindset carries straight into the G2. Even before you put them on, the experience feels intentional. The packaging is clean, minimal, and premium without trying too hard. No flashy marketing, nonsense, just confidence. When a company knows its product is good, it doesn't need to shout. Once you open the box, that idea of undisturbed connection becomes clear. These glasses aren't trying to pull you out of the real world. They're designed to quietly support it. That's important, because on paper, having information floating in front of your eyes sounds distracting. But in real use, it's the opposite. You check less. You reach for your phone less. You stay more present. Then you see the G2 for the first time, and honestly, this is where Even Reality really levels up. The new frame shape is a big win. The older rounded design worked, but it wasn't for everyone. The G2 introduces a sharper, more confident silhouette with an angular top line and a softer lower rim. It's more flattering, more modern, and easier to wear for a wider range of face shapes. These look like stylish glasses. First stands smart glasses second. Material-wise, the upgrades matter. The front is still magnesium, which is incredibly rare in eyewear, and helps keep the frame lightweight without sacrificing strength. The temples are now pure titanium, and that change alone improves durability, responsiveness, and comfort. Everything feels tighter, cleaner, and more refined. The balance on the face is excellent, and that's something you notice immediately. They don't slide, pinch, or feel front-heavy. You forget you're wearing tech at all. And here's the wild part. These are now IP67 water-resistant. That means rain, sweat, and even submersion aren't a problem for electronic glasses. That's huge. This isn't something you have to baby. These are built to live your life with you. When you put them on, nothing jumps out at you that's intentional. There's no screen blocking your view, no constant overlay. But when you slightly tilt your chin upward, the holographic display appears. The new dashboard is larger, clearer, and sharper than before. It feels closer, more immersive, and easier to read without ever feeling intrusive. The moment you lower your head, it disappears again. It's there only when you want it. Control has also improved massively. Instead of a simple button, the G2 features a full touch panel on the temple. You can swipe, scroll, tap, and long press naturally. It feels intuitive and fast, and once paired with the new app, the whole experience feels much more polished. Brightness, display position, distance, quiet modites, all customizable. So the glasses adapt to you, not the other way around. Voice interaction remains one of the standout features. You can dictate notes, create reminders, ask questions, and get answers instantly without pulling out your phone. It's subtle, fast, and surprisingly powerful. The AI features feel less like a gimmick and more like a genuine productivity tool once you start using them in daily life. Live translation has also taken a big step forward. Thanks to 4 microphones instead of 1, the glasses can now isolate voices much more accurately. That means better translations in noisy environments and fewer mistakes when multiple people are talking. For travel, meetings, or international conversations, this alone could be a game changer. Navigation is cleaner and more useful thanks to the clearer display. And the built-in compass means the glasses always know which direction you're facing. That small detail makes directions feel faster and more reliable. It's another example of Even Reality focusing on real-world use instead of flashy specs. The charging case might look the same, but it's smarter where it counts. The move to pinned connectors instead of wireless charging means you don't have to worry about folding the glasses a specific way. They charge every time efficiently. Because of that improvement alone, the case now delivers up to 7 days of power instead of 2. That's a massive quality of life upgrade. Even the accessories feel well thought out. You get spare nose pads, temple grips for extra stability, a proper cleaning cloth, and a USB-C cable. And nothing feels cheap or unnecessary. Everything has a purpose. Then there's the Even Ring, which takes the ecosystem to another level. Looks like a normal ceramic wrinkling, minimal and stylish, but it doubles as a controller for the glasses and a health tracker. Steps, sleep, calories, temperature, blood, oxygen, and more are tracked quietly in the background. You don't have to think about it, it just works. One of the most impressive new features, though, is Conversate mode. This allows the glasses to provide contextual information during conversations. If a person, topic, or reference comes up that you're unfamiliar with, the glasses can display a brief summary in real time. It's subtle, private, and incredibly powerful. Stay engaged, informed, and confident without interrupting the flow of conversation. And yes, the sun clip is still here and still excellent. It snaps on easily and instantly turns the G2 into sunglasses. What makes it special is the customization. You can have different clips for driving, screens, gaming, or full sun protection. One pair of glasses, multiple use cases. So here's the bottom line. The Even Reality G2 doesn't try to overwhelm you with features. Instead, it quietly improves your day. It looks better, feels better, lasts longer, and works more seamlessly than the previous generation. This isn't about flashy tech, it's about refinement.